So this one's got the service steering column of doom, vauxhall ampera, so it doesn't start. So I'm going to replace the steering column lock modules under there. So if these get stuck in park, you take off this panel here, just pulls off, get a screwdriver, push this lever back here, that's that. There's a lever here, that one there, push that lever back. Now we're in neutral, so if you're ever stuck and you need to put it in neutral, just remember the screwdriver and that bar there, that's right there, that one there, pull it back and you can go into neutral. So this has got the ampera steering lock of doom. When it comes to service steering lock, so I've seen people, they take the fuse out, put the fuse in, but in the end to actually rectify it, you're going to have to replace this here. This is the steering column control lock module, so that sits underneath the steering column. So we're going to do that. These ones here, you actually need to do pre-programming before and after removing the module. So we're just using the diagnostic software here. I know you can get access, you can apply for access for cars. So there it is there, steering lock control module, that's what sets off the code. So these have a breakaway bolts there, so you have to chisel them off there, and then that can obviously come down, so we'll need to get a chisel in there, little hammer, and break them off. Here it is here, it sits up there. You've got two bolts here. Let's turn the light off. That light off. They're there, normal bolts. And you've got these, they're called break-off bolts, security bolts on this here at the back. There. And what I did on this time was a little pair of Kinipex or Nipex. I just grabbed onto it and took it off there. The bolts, like that. Now when you start tightening them up, they'll snap off the end. So I don't know if this will show on the camera. It's going to be very hard. They're an E5 or an E6. So see, we're tightening it up. And there. Oh, it's quite tight. I'll just leave it snug for now. We'll do the programming. So after you've replaced it, you need to program it. You can't, it's a control module, so these require programming. So that's what we're going to do here. Steering column lock control module, program. Fold it apart, as you can see, where it breaks is here. So that's the steering lock. That sits there, steering lock mechanism. Because that breaks off, it doesn't know the actual value or where the steering lock is engaged or disengaged, so it won't start the vehicle. So in this case, we just need to replace it.